Linking your bank account to PocketGuard allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to connect your bank account seamlessly. Step 1. Download and install the app. Begin by downloading the PocketGuard app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. After logging in, look for the option to link your bank account. This is usually found in the Settings or Account section of the app. Step 3. Select your bank. In the bank linking section, you will see a list of supported banks. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find your bank. Tap on your bank's name to proceed. Step 4. Enter your banking credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SSRock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. Once you have entered your credentials, follow any additional prompts to complete the linking process. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. After verification, your bank account should be successfully linked. Now that your bank account is linked to PocketGuard, you can start tracking your spending and managing your budget more effectively.